Welcome to Detroit, and welcome to the North American International Auto Show, where BMW celebrates the world premiere of the all-new BMW 3 Series.
Well, the 3 Series, of course, is the core of our brand, and it is the ultimate driving machine. My name is Adrian van Hooijdonk, and I'm the design director for the BMW Group.
The sixth generation of the BMW 3 Series, the world's best-selling premium vehicle, sets benchmarks in terms of sportiness, elegance, and comfort. Inspired by a trailblazing model history, the new sports sedan exhibits powerful looks, which have been reinterpreted and consistently further enhanced the brand-typical design. In addition to the dynamic optic, the 3 Series offers a perfect 50-50 weight balance, underlying a new level of agility and driving dynamics.
I think the sportiness comes across in the front-end design already. We have a very new interpretation of the typical BMW face, double round headlamps and kidney-shaped grille. The lamps are now attached to the grille. The grille is more three-dimensional. The whole effect is both wider and lower, more sporty. The elegance, I think, comes across in the body side. There's only two lines, these two lines, that both go up towards the rear, that give the car more dynamic in side view, but also stretch the vehicle.
The new 3 Series is also available with a choice of 3 equipment options: Sport Line, Luxury Line, and Modern Line.
And of course, sportiness is important to a lot of BMW customers. In that line, we have very strong exterior colors, like the red that you see behind me. We have 5-spoke sporty wheel designs, and in the interior we have red stitching, so that's for the sport line. Then we have modern line. We have lighter colors. Then on the exterior we have matte aluminium finished add-on parts. We have a specific design wheel for that line as well. And in the interior we have a very modern type of wood with a very nice structure to it, which is something that is new for the 3 Series. And then, of course, last but not least, we have the luxury line. There we have high gloss wood in the interior, very nice leather. We have some galvanized metallic, and in the exterior darker colors and multi-spoke rims and some chrome, some more chrome on the exterior.
The new twin-power turbo engines outdo the performance of their predecessors while reducing their fuel consumption and emissions. Like other BMW models, the new 3 Series comes as standard with the start-stop function, which in conjunction with the BMW Efficient Dynamics power units ensures considerably enhanced environmental protection. And this is achieved even with a noticeable increase in road performance. Last but not least, the full-color head-up display sets new standards in this class. As an additional highlight, BMW will present the Active Hybrid 3. This full hybrid offers pure electric driving and noticeable fuel savings, without any significant functional restrictions, such as reduction in trunk capacity or lack of foldable rear seats.
The new 3 Series will be the ultimate expression of what we call in German Freude am Fahren.